Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Kunin natin yung energy ng person mo. And kung ano yung situation niya ngayon, ano yung iniisip niya, emotions niya, and kung ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo. Okay? Yun yung focus ng ating reading. So, kunin natin yung energy ng person mo. This is with Libra dealing with the person na wala kayong connection. Okay, no communication. You do have your nightlife. So, this is your person. Clarify the nightlife, please. Soulmate. Yeah, you could be dealing with your soulmate and nightlife. So, nakikita natin yung person na ito as maybe a person na I don't know, maybe a person na in the past, marami kayong nightlives together. Okay? Maybe a person na, could be a soulmate, and a person na maybe kasama mong uminom in the past. So, yeah, there's friendship here, and I feel like there's mutual understanding sa inyong dalawa. And maybe na-develop na lang rin yun through your friendship or with the nightlife, yung mga nakaraan ninyo wherein naging happy kayo. Maybe yung iba sa inyo during kabataan ninyo, high school or maybe college days, ganyan. Pwede rin namang hindi, but definitely may kakaibigan or pagsasama na nabuo na parang naging masaya lang, no? Na parang walang iniisip na problema during that time. And let's talk about your person's situation right now. Ano yung situation ng person na ito ngayon, Libra, during your separation? Ano ang situation niya ngayon? Pwede kang makarelate or hindi dito sa mga sinasabi ko. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong pilitin. Hindi para sa iyo ang message. So, may mga ibang readings pa tayo. Check mo na lang yan. You do have your unconditional, divine, feminine, pretending, children, and access granted, and also drastic. So, I feel like, yung situation ngayon na person na ito is pwedeng may children na involve dito sa connection ninyo. And nakikita natin, if ever you're dealing with a person who is already, may anak, I can see the unconditional love na ibinibigay niya dito sa mga batang ito. Now, with the divine feminine, yeah, especially with the divine feminine, I am seeing a mother figure dito. So, this could be that this person is currently focusing sa kanyang mga anak. Ngayon, with access granted, this is with regards sa social media or sa connection ninyo through social media. Maybe you are still friends through social media. Pwede rin namang hindi. Okay, or kung friends kayo, maybe nagiging limited lang with the drastic. Yung inyong connection or yung inyong conversation through social media, or maybe even yung posting niya or yung time niya sa social media because maybe of children. Okay? Maybe naaapektuhan ngayon ng ng kanyang duties and responsibilities sa kanyang mga anak. Etong time nitong person na ito sa social media. And you do have your pretending. So, I feel like this person, sa buhay niya, hindi siya nagiging honest. There's a lot of pagtatago na ginagawa. And, let me clarify on this. What's with the pretending? Please clarify. Okay? You do have your engagement ring. Okay? Uh, tell me more. Tell me more. What's with the engagement ring? Lightning is here. So, kung ano man yung mm, mga partnership na involved sa person na ito, like sa buhay niya yung pinag-uusapan natin. So, this could mean people around your person na may partnership. That could be his or her wife or husband, di ba? Or partner in life kung live-in lang sila, or maybe friends, or kung siya ay may business, yan, business partners or colleagues, yan, basta mga partners niya sa buhay niya ngayon. There's a lot of mga pagtatago or not being open sa mga taong ito, especially with the lightning, lalo na kung yung partnership nila is nabuo, that creates a lot of change sa buhay ng person mo. Okay? Lalo na kung ito ay biglaan. Kasi yung person mo is a person who, you know, hindi siya nagmamadali and alam niya kung ano yung bagay na gusto niya talaga. Okay? And dahil may mga biglaan or pagmamadali na nangyari dito sa bagay na ito, I told you maybe it has something to do with love, maybe it has something to do sa kanyang relationship, or may kinalaman sa partnership with regards sa business. So ngayon, nagiging problem ito para sa kanya. Okay? Nagbibigay ito ng malaking transformation sa kanya as a person. Yeah, especially you do have your keys on a ring, so there's one night stand. Yung one night stand is something na parang you don't want that to last. You know, you just want that one night stand as isang beses lang sa buhay or trial lang. Ganon. Especially if ganon nabuo yung partnership doon sa mga binanggit ko, medyo hindi matibay yung pundasyon, and that would create a lot of problem pagdating sa person mo. Okay? And alamin naman natin kung ano ang emotion ng taong ito sa'yo ngayon. Okay? Emotion ng person na ito for you right now. For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra, emotion niya para sa'yo. Let's get at least 3 cards. Yeah, 3 to 4 cards ang lumabas. 4 cards ang lumabas actually. Poison is here. You do have here searching. You do have here drama queen. And the desire. Okay. At the bottom of the deck, there's this pop-up. Okay. This person, I can see a balloon here. You know, there's a lot of air in that balloon. In order for this balloon na lumipad, there's air inside. Well, I'm not actually sure kung ano tawag dun sa, hindi ako magaling sa science, but ang alam ko helium yung air doon. But of course, it's a kind of air. And then air para sa labas ng balloon para kung saan ito dadalhin. So, you know, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and the air is represented by the swords, you know, in tarot readings. The way I say it, pwedeng lagi kang nasa isip ng person na ito. Okay? Regarding sa emotions niya para sa'yo with the desire, nandun yung wanting to have you. Gusto niyang makuha ka. This person has a lot of desire for you. The poison is here, so gaya lang, as I can see with the searching, meron tayong mata dito na naka-cover, and it has something to do with the apple, you know, yung linyang apple of the eye, diba? Ngayon, you are this person's apple of the eye. Pwedeng ikaw yung the best para sa mata niya, para sa paningin niya. Pero, because this eye is currently naka-cover, maybe there's a reason for this person na hindi kanya makita, or hindi niya kadapat pansinin, or hindi niya dapat isipin ang lahat ng mga magaganda patungkol sa'yo. You do have your drama queen. There's a lot of chaos right now, or problem dito sa person na ito, especially you do have your family. So, there's this problem with regards sa family, or the family might be is the main reason kung bakit kailangan niyang matrap, or you do have here lockbox and anxiety. As you can see, it's like a person who is trapped. No, this is showing to me as gate, and then this is showing to me as a person who is inside the cage. Okay, nasa loob siya ng cage, and it is locked. And so makikita natin, pwedeng ang pinaka main reason is the family, kung bakit kailangan niyang i-lock ang sarili niya, or wag i-open up ang sarili niya, wag makipag-communicate sa'yo, wag isipin ka, etc., wag kang mahalin, etc., is because of family. This person is a kind of person who is maybe a family man or woman. Once na meron ng family, it's like there's this commitment para dito sa person na ito. And ayaw niyang gumawa ng something na makakasira sa image niya, or makakasira sa mata, especially ng children niya. Okay? So, anyway, so even though this person has a lot of desire for you, kailangan niyang kontrolin yon. And what will be the future for you, Libra, with regards sa connection ninyo for the sign of Libra? You do have your interlude on the table, and interview. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko to ina-expect, ha, guys. I'm not expecting this, but this is what is about to happen. Pero hindi pa agad-agad. I'm not promising any dates or any time kung kailan gagawin ito ng personal, but definitely there's this future connection or communication sa inyong dalawa. With the on the table, this is like pag-uusap. Lalo na with the interview, it is pag-uusap sa inyong dalawa, conversation. And I feel like this person is going to talk to you about some kind of problem with regards sa kanyang life, or sa kanyang relationship dito sa person na kakonect niya ngayon. Okay? Like what I've told you, your person might be in a relationship, or kung hindi man doon sa regarding sa relationship niya, basta kung ano man yung partnership na nagkakaproblema sa kanya. That could be business partnership, that could be maybe regarding sa friends. Yeah, but this person is going to talk to you, or there's a conversation sa inyo ng taong to na may kinalaman dito sa problem regarding partnership with the divorce and final. And I feel like we do have here Archangel Michael. So, kahit anong try niyang protektahan ito, especially if this has something to do with marriage, kahit anong try niyang protektahan, because sabi ko nga, this person could be a family man, family woman, no? And gusto niya ng maayos na pamilya. Kahit anong try niya na protektahan ito, there's always going to be intervention, there's going to be a problem na magiging dahilan para gustuhin niyang umalis, or there would be a time na magkakaroon ng butas para makaalis siya dun sa situation na yon. Okay? And but because of that thing, no, magkakaroon ng connection ulit sa inyo ng person to. We do have your plug, tuned in, internet connected. Okay? Sabi ko nga sa iyo, you could be friends, you could be dealing with the person na may pareho kayong way ng pag-iisip, pareho kayo ng way ng understanding sa isang bagay. Anong gustong sabihin sa iyo ng person na ito? For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Check your natal chart. Okay, ano yung gustong sabihin sa'yo ng person na to? Spirit guys, angel guys. Nakaramdam ako ng, hindi ko sigurado kung ito ba'y kaba or pasma. This could be a reading. Pwedeng while watching, kinakabahan ka or medyo pinapasma yung kamay mo. You do have your I miss you, do you? I want a fresh start with you. Pwede mga gusto niya sabihin. I still don't have all the answers. I can't even look at you right now. You do have your Ace of Pentacles. I think so, yes. Ace of Pentacles is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And you do have here, have I lost everything? And then one card. You are so beautiful. And you make me want to do bad things. And you do have here bottom of the deck, sex with you. Okay? And let me have you. Okay, etong person na ito, the way I see this is that gusto niya talaga ng new beginning sa'yo. And parang gusto niya ng start, to start all over again. I feel like itong person na ito may mga pagsisisi siya. Gusto niya balikan yung nakaraan. And there's this color gray and black here sa picture. And it is showing to me as death. Okay? So might be, may mga naging dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng death card, separation, or ending sa inyong dalawa. But this person, sa ngayon parang hindi siya sure kung talagang tuluyan ka na nawala sa kanya. But, mas nangingibabaw yung wala ka na. Or hindi na pwede yan sa inyong dalawa. Nakaamoy din ako ng mangga. This could be a reading. Anyway, but even though wala ka na, or nawala ka na, or wala ng chance sa inyong dalawa, this person still wants to have a fresh start with you. Okay? This person, nakikita natin na miss ka niya, and yun yung isang gusto niya sabihin sa'yo, miss ka na niya. And maybe in the past, openly, nasasabi niya sa'yo yung word na yon, or nasasabi niya sa'yo na I miss you. Openly. So, pwedeng through chat, through call, nababanggit niya sa'yo, miss na kita. And for now, hindi niya magawa yon because of kung nasaan siya ngayon and yung kinalalagyan niya ngayon. This person wants to call you. I feel like this person wants to call you. Especially if you are best friends. You are, there's a partnership in the past between the two of you. So, gusto ko niyang tawagan. But, because this person miss you, pero, I feel like, you do have I can't even look at you right now. Hindi ka nga niya lang pwedeng tignan ngayon. Hindi ka nga niya pwedeng i-search man lang ngayon. Hindi ka nga niya pwedeng, alam niya sa sarili niya yung mga bagay na hindi niya pwedeng gawin. Either this person is being controlled by the person nakakonect niya, or This could be your person na kinokontrol ang sarili niya na makita ka, na tignan ka, na i-view ang iyong profile or ang iyong stories. You know what I mean? And this person thinks na hindi mo na siya kailangan. By the way, I can see the angel number 999. Okay? Maybe you would like, you should search it on Google kung ano yung pinaka magre-resonate sa'yo. But there's an angel 999 for you. Ngayon, number 9 in astrology, yung 9th house, okay? We call it the ninth house. It has something to do with higher learnings and international travel. Okay? And something na kailangan mong i-explore. Maybe religion, philosophy. No? Or it's higher education about maybe religion or spirit, maybe even spirituality. I don't know. Yung iba, something na kailangan mong pag-focusan na pwedeng makatulong para mas mag-grow ka pa and mas makatulong sa iyong future, okay? Lalo na with regards to money or material wealth. So, the angel number 999, for some of you, ibig sabihin, you need to focus on yourself, focus on your learnings, focus on your studies, yan, because malaki yung maitutulong niya in the future for you. Okay? So, hindi naman yun yung gustong sabihin sa'yo ng person mo, but rather this is an angel number for you. It's like your guidance kung ano yung dapat mong gawin sa ngayon. No, be more creative in expressing yourself. Pagdating dito sa person na ito, if you miss this person or somehow nafe-feel mo na may special connection sa inyo, i-express mo na lang yan sa ibang bagay. Maybe through arts or maybe you talk to other people, 'di ba? Kung hindi man international travel, maybe international connections, no? Pwede mga international groups, or mga taong hindi mo kilala, mga strangers that you can talk to para makaget over ka sa person mo dito. I can see a heart right now sa mga crystals ko, sa isa sa crystals ko, and I think it is showing to me as your emotions towards this person. Kasi although sinabi ko kanina na pwedeng magkaroon ng dahilan ng communication sa inyo, it is not yet now. Hindi pa yun ngayon. Okay, magkakaroon ng time pero hindi pa yun ngayon. I told you I'm not promising anything about the time. So, mas maganda mag-concentrate ka muna sa sarili mo. Okay? And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do like and share and subscribe na rin dito sa ating channel. And I do hope na i-follow mo rin ako sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. And dun sa ibang channels, check mo na lang dyan sa description box. I love you all. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.